Hey guys, it's Pierre from Can-Am, SpyderAccessories.com, and welcome to the Spyder Shop, to your Spyder Shop. In today's video, I'm so freaking excited. This was awesome, and I really needed this like so bad. So it's been a long winter, it's been a hard winter, it's been really cold, and we actually never stopped working on Can-Am Spyders all winter long. So no break for us here at the Spyder Shop. And what do you know, spring is already here, and we're ready to get the season started. So I had fun. Why did I have fun? Well, I'm really proud to announce that we are now a dealer for RLS Exhaust. Oh yeah, baby. So teaming up with the guys there out of Texas, and we're gonna bring some kick-ass, oh yeah, I said it, kick-ass exhaust system for your Can-Am Spyders. So here's what we did. In today's video, I actually took two bikes on the road, but in this video, this one right now that you're watching, I took this 2021 Can-Am Spyder. It's an RT series, RT Limited, the black edition, and I took it out on the road with this beautiful, oh yeah, I said beautiful Crusher series exhaust system. So this here will fit any 2014 to 2014 and up Can-Am Spyder RT. It actually fits also the F3 series, whether it's an F3, F3S, we can adapt it for that. And if you have an F3T or F3 Limited 2016 and up, oh yeah, it will fit your bike. So I've got one here as well on a 2020 Marcella Red. Look at that, beautiful there. And here's a shot of both of them side by side. It looks awesome. It sounds amazing. And how do I know? Oh yeah, I took them for a road test. Now on the white one here, you've got the Crusher series with the by removing the stock I will say it, exhaust system. And on the red one here, what I did is that I've got a cat delete on this one. So cat delete plus Crusher. You want to know what it sounds like? You're going to have to wait for the other video after this one. So in this video, I'm taking this one on the road for you guys, giving you some sound bites with three, oh yeah, count them, 3 different camera angles. You ready for this? 3, 2, 1, let's go, baby. I hope you enjoyed this little video and this little road test. I've got lots more coming for you guys. So we're trying, whoops, I almost fell. I slipped. All right, so yeah, I was gonna say, we're trying to build an inventory of these exhaust systems. We like them so much that we're gonna try to keep them stock, okay? So if we don't have it when you order, you can expect about a 3-week waiting period. If everything goes well, it shouldn't be more than that. If it is, I'll let you know. But we're trying to cut down on times by building up inventory. We had about 30 of these that came in, and we liked them so much we didn't even wait to see if we were going to sell them. We know we're going to sell them. These are amazing. They look good. They sound good. So we ordered another 30. We doubled up on that and probably going to put in another order after that. So you have to understand these are not items at $100. So keeping inventory is you know, a big investment for us. But we truly believe in the quality of the products and of RLS Exhaust System. This is the guy out of Texas. So once again, thank you very much, guys. You can find all our products, including a lineup for these new RLS exhausts on Can-Am SpyderAccessories.com. That's Can-Am SpyderAccessories.com. And look for more videos because we ordered different models as well. And as they come in, we'll put them on the bikes, we'll take them for a road test, and we'll let you see and hear what they sound like. We'll do our best. Once again, guys, my name is Pierre. This is the Spyder Shop. Can-Am Spyder Accessories, baby. Thank you very much. I'm out.